equal to a into cos power 4t, y is equal to b into sin power 4t, then what is dy by dx? So given here x is equal to a into cos power 4t, y is equals to b into sin power 4t. Now we want the value of dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to derivative of this function by derivative of this function, that is b into sin power 4t derivative 4 into sin cube t into sin t derivative cos t whole by dx by dt, that is a into cos power 4 derivative 4 into cos cube t into cos t derivative minus sin t. So the answer is equals to, here it is cancelled by 2 times and it is cancelled by 2 times. So this is minus b by a into sin square by cos square. Sin square by cos square is equal to tan square t. That is minus b by a into what is given, t is equal to 3 pi by 4. That is minus b by a into minus 1 whole square is equal to plus 1. Tan 3 pi by 4 is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 whole square is equal to plus 1. So answer is equal to minus b by a. That is the first option. Next problem. Same procedure. What is dy by dx value? So first I find the value of dx by dt here. So dx by dt is equal to a into cos t derivative minus sin t plus log t derivative 1 by t, 1 by tan t by 2, again tan t by 2 derivative secant square t by 2, again t by 2 derivative 1 by 2. So this is equals to a into minus sin t plus 1 by tan is equal to cot. Cot is equal to cos by sin. So this is cos t by 2 by sin t by 2 into secant square is equal to 1 by cos square t by 2 into 1 by 2. Now here 1 cos is cancelled. So this is equals to a into minus sin t plus 1 by 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2. That is 1 by sin t. 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2 is equal to sin t. That is a into, just taking LCM, 1 minus sin square t. That is cos square t by sin t. So this is the value of dx by dt. Now what is dy by dt value? Dy by dt is equal to a into sin t derivative is equal to cos t. Therefore what is dy by dx value? Dy by dx is equal to dy by dt by dx by dt. That is a into a cos t by dx by dt. A into cos square t by sin t. Now here a and a gets cancelled. 1 cos is cancelled. So the remaining value is equal to 1 by cos by sin. 1 by cos by sin is equal to 1 by cot. 1 by cot is equal to tan t. That is the third option. Next problem. If x plus y is equal to sin of x plus y, then what is dy by dx? Just doing the derivative, x derivative 1, y derivative dy by dx. Sin x plus y derivative cos x plus y into again x derivative 1, y derivative dy by dx. Now we want the dy by dx value. That is 1 plus dy by dx is equal to cos of x plus y plus cos of x plus y into dy by dx. Now writing the dy by dx terms at one side. So this is 1 minus cos of x plus y is equal to, writing this term to this side and taking dy by dx common here, dy by dx into cos of x plus y minus 1. Now it is cancelled here by minus 1 times. So the answer is equal to minus 1. That's all. That is the third option. The next problem. If 2x square minus 3xy plus y square plus x plus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0, then what is dy by dx? Just doing the derivatives here. 2 into 2x, 4x minus 3 into xy. xy means we take the uv rule. X into dy by dx plus y into 1 plus y square derivative 2y into dy by dx. X derivative 1, 2y derivative 2 into dy by dx minus 8 derivative 0. Now first taking dy by dx common here. So this is dy by dx into minus 3x plus 2y plus 2 is equal to writing the remaining values to other side. So this is 4x, writing to this side becomes minus 4x. This is minus 3y, writing to this side then it becomes plus 3y. This is plus, writing to this side that becomes minus 1. Therefore the value of dy by dx is equal to 3y minus 4x minus 1 by 2y minus 3x plus 2. That is the first option. That's all.